Hello friends, let's learn some CVC words today. Please like and subscribe. CVC stands for consonants, vowels and consonants. Let's learn a vowel sound. A. The children run to school. R. Run. I can run very fast. Run. That's a cup. Cup. K. A. Cup. Pour some tea into the cup. That's a rug. 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 The rug is soft underfoot. Tub. 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 Take a bath in the tub. Tub. That's gum. 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 Chew the gum slowly. Gum. That's the sun. 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 The sun shines brightly. Sun. That's a school bus. 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 The bus arrived at the stop. Bus. Those are nuts. 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 Crack the nut open. Nuts. Those are huts. 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 They built a hut in the woods. Huts. Scissors to cut. 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 He will cut the paper with scissors. Cut. Watch the previous videos for CVC words with short vowel sound A, E, and O sounds. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye-bye.